In today's video, I'll show you how to send an email using your Hotmail or Outlook account in just a few minutes. Whether you're brand new to email or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can type the Outlook login URL directly or simply search for Outlook login in Google. Once you're there, click Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In again. This will take you to your Outlook homepage. On your homepage, look for the New Mail button in the top left corner. Click it, and a new blank email window will open, ready for you to compose your message. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Be sure it's correct. Mistyping it can mean your email never gets delivered. Next, add a subject line. Think of it as the headline of your message. Keep it clear and concise so the recipient knows what your email is about right away. Now, move down to the main body of the email. This is where you'll type your message. Write clearly and respectfully, whether it's for personal or professional communication. You can also format text, add links, or attach files if needed. Once you've reviewed your message, you're ready to send. Look for the Send button, usually at the bottom or top of the window. Click it, and your email will be on its way. To make sure it was sent successfully, open your Sent Items folder. You should see your message listed there. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email through Hotmail Outlook. Sending emails may seem small, but it's an essential way to stay connected. With just a little practice, it will feel second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.